Ever felt that exasperation when you try to expand a modest account and everything fails? You've experimented with various tactics and still aren't seeing tangible outcomes. This video is for you. Today I will reveal the technique that finally lifted me from zero and can transform your approach as well. An exclusive surprise awaits you. Watch the entire video and prepare to be astonished. Guys, account set up right now, right here. We're gonna set the classic candles, alright? Time frame, we're gonna use 5 seconds. And we gonna only use one indicator, Stochastic Oscillator, alright? And now let's set up that. Click on right here. We're gonna use 10 on key periods, for the periods, for smooth periods, and we're gonna set 3 on thickness for every color right here. Just use that you want, okay? Guys, it's more convenient for me to work this way, but you don't have to do it. That means of strategy is simple as possible. We need to catch the fluctuation so the indicator can follow the mark at trades. I'm gonna use 1 minute on the time here, alright? And we will start using $30 for the first entry. Okay, so let's try to define a good position. Alright guys, so 1 minute, $30 when you click on the sell button. To open trade out in the very beginning. I won't say that is the fast and risk strategy, guys. This matter will not help you if you want to trade on a long time and work stably. Okay, that strategy is ideal for those who like to catch their luck and increase their bounce 10, 20, maybe 100 times the shortest possible time. All you need to do is find a signal. We have these signals, this wave right here on the candles and on the oscillator, right? That is the position that we need to then find it. That show for us a good downtrend. When the zone returns back when the line hits the middle channel, you need to open trade in the same direction and catch this wave. It's very simple. And in such ways you can get very good signals and make profitable trades in the row. The beginning is very good. Look at this, alright? Hey, do you want to join a group where shares signals and strategy that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations, 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join, alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys. And look this, guys, we got a profit on the first one, almost $6. Okay, moving on the opening trade. All right, guys, so move to the next one. Find a good signal indicator, try to work here. To the previous information, I want to add the fact that the strategy is not stable, guys. Right? The times of your trade session play a key role here. You can catch 10 or even 20 profitable signals in a row. But on another day, you can catch 5 or 10 losses in a row. So the same situation, we have a curve right here, this wave on the oscillator is the same, an up and down trend, right? And you need to know the work of that. To look for the best, you need to look for the most jumped cross pairs, right? The more stable everything repeats, the more likely to catch a lot of profits on a cross pair. The line should look like a wave in the ocean. So look at my example and look for the same similar. Way down, way up. Everything's smooth, everything repeats. This is another profitable trade, guys. And look that, 1 seconds. And you got another one. $113. Guys, that's why I'm moving on. Keep in mind, this is just one of the many strategies that can revolutionize your path in these markets. To reach professional level mastering the most profitable strategy is crucial, but don't fret. I've created two exclusive pieces of content that will be pivotal for your growth. Stick with me until the end of the video and enjoy it. Let's do the moving on. As you can see, I found another interesting situation. The price was very quick in the moment stop and will not everything start to fall down. I see a good signal in the indicator, so that's the best time to open a trade. We use a time frame of 5 seconds, So see such correction, such jobs very correctly. After very rise, there will be a fall, okay? And after fall, there will be a rise. Guys, there's a rule of trade, and you need to remember every time you see such waves. That's very important, all right? So remember that when you have a rise, there will be a fall, and when you have a fall, there will be a rise. So what can I say, guys? One more profitable trade in balance will be increased. Look at that. After I earn almost $206, I take a break and start again. We're using $150. Alright? I will do this 3 or 5 times during the week and try to grow my capital. So let's wait for the next one. Maybe some days we'll be unlucky and we'll lose some amount. Maybe we'll earn even more. I don't know, it depends on luck. But the point is that with such small step I can grow to 100 to 1000. And then use a more stable strategy. I show you all this way in a private Telegram channel and a knowledge base, and some if you already understand how it works, guys. We have the same situation right here with the same wave, the same downtrend. For train quickly and train with good strategy, can you start even with a small balance. Try to use that, okay? And pay attention on the details, as I said for you. Hey, wait a minute. Before I see the results of this trade, how about competing for a 100 account to test the strategy I taught in the video? It's simple. Leave a positive comment and join my Telegram group through the link in the description. Let's make the most of it. So look at that. I get this, guys. Look at this. From $30 to almost $34 in a few minutes. That's the real, guys. Today I showed you how to do it. I hope the videos was useful for you. So let's react right now, guys. I wish you more profits, wish you good training sessions, wish you good big profits. Write in the comments your opinion about this strategy. And I'll see you soon on my YouTube channel. I wish you good luck and see you on the next video. Bye bye, guys.